Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. The binary puzzle, in additional of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 15th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. And this one will be number 7627. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then, double O here, 1 there 1. Between the O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1, between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.